participation even in the private general insurance companies, it is not there. What is the rule says? Up to 74% foreign direct investment can be allowed in private general insurance companies. 26% enough, the promoters shall have their capital. Even all the promoters in the private company, except 7 companies out of 21 companies, nobody has divested that capital to the public. Even the private company, they themselves are not giving their shares to the public. Why the public sector insurance companies have to give to the public? Because already it is the public money which is invested. That is what this government has to know. Whatever might be, this government has done it. In spite of all our companies are having more than 7,500 branches throughout India. We have penetrated throughout India. She is saying openly, private companies only have penetrated the insurance market. Is it so? It is not so. Hardly private companies are having 2,700 branches. Out of that, only 41 branches they are having in rural areas. Whereas public sector general insurance companies are having more than 7,500 offices. Out of that, nearly 311 rural branches alone we are having. Who have penetrated the rural area? Whether public sector or private sector. They will penetrate again and again only the big cities. Not, they will never go to private or rural masses. They will never penetrate. This is the situation. Of course, even still there is a provision, there is a place to penetrate. How to penetrate? To penetrate, the common man should have money in his hand. General insurance company, if you want to go and canvass the product, definitely they should have money in their pocket. Life insurance, they will immediately ready to take it because they will get the money back. Even in the bank, if they go and ask for FD, they will try to park the money in the FD because they are going to get it back. Whereas in general insurance, the normal tendency, what the public is having in their mind is, whatever the money I am giving, I will not get it back. But they do not know. For lakhs of rupees, they are paying hardly thousands of rupees and they are going to get compensated if they are being or face that risk that is going to happen, but they never bother. For that, they should have a money in their pocket. Today, this government has not given money in the pockets of the common man. Nobody is having money. Money power is not there. Even because of this COVID, nobody is given jobs. Then where to go, where to penetrate? So what is possible up to the level we have penetrated, it is a wrong information FM has given to the parliament. Through this meeting, we want to convey to this government, whatever you have conveyed to the parliamentarian is wrong, totally false information. There are statistics to prove that we have done it well and we are ready to even going to send it. We are planning, joint forum is planning to jointly go and meet the FM and also the Prime Minister with each political party, 1 MPs. Binay Vishwam from CPI, I talked to him because we are closely related to him. So he assured he is ready to organize, and we have also conveyed to joint forum. All the joint forum partners, each organization, 1 representative, along with 1 MPs from each political party, they are ready to come with us to take us to Finance Minister and Prime Minister to once again represent. Having amended, let it be not a problem. So many things are amended, but it is not implemented. So many assurances are given, 15 lakhs will be given. So far you have not done it. So why can't you also keep it, just put it in cold storage? Wage revision is due for more than 4 years. You have not done it. One more thing they have amended, comment, in that Jimna Act, not only this percentage. They say once it is privatized or the shares have been totally less than 51%, they reduce it. They say section 17A of the Act, I will just come to my reference in another 2 minutes comment. I have taken much of your time. In section 17A deals with our wages and pay structure and service condition. They say by amending one more clause they are inserting, they say the company which is going to be privatized or reduction of shares is there. It is for that board of the company to decide whether to accept the entire service what is available, that rules and regulations, or they are free to amend it as they like. So what they want to convey, till date they have not given wages. If any one of the company is privatized, then that means they will try to say the wages will be given only to this company, and this company they can decide the board. They will say the same wages will not be given to you. That is a possibility. That is what now they have given a provision by amending Jibna Act. So comrade, the situation is grim. We have to be ready to fight on the streets. Unless otherwise we fight, unless otherwise each and everyone participate in the strike, the statistics should go to the government. Not even a single person is left over in the strike. Everybody has participated. Shall we do it, comrade? Take the message. Take the message to the common man, to our all employees. Let it reach out and see that all the BO, DO, all the officers are locked tomorrow. By that we will show that this government, we are against the decision of this government, and by doing it definitely the government will once again think over it, because again the bill has to be placed in the Rajya Sabha. Though whether we could able to do something in the Rajya Sabha, that is another issue, but at least whatever even the discussion has not taken place in Lok Sabha, at least that will be permitted in the Rajya Sabha, and we are hopeful something will be done, and for that it is only in everybody's, you are responsible tomorrow. If you strike the work, each and every one, we are sure something will come. Thank you, comrade. Be ready. See that tomorrow we are making this all India strike success. Thank you.
That's what for joint forum action. We have to file a case against all for this amendment in the
No, comrade.
Thank you, Mr. Govindan.